The Keychron V3 Max TKL keyboard combines a compact tenkeyless layout with wireless and wired options, making it a versatile choice for both gaming and office use. Its support for fast 2.4 GHz wireless, modern Bluetooth 5.1, and a wired connection allows quick switching between multiple devices without noticeable lag. The keyboard is tailored for both macOS and Windows users, with an easy system toggle and extra keycaps so shortcuts feel natural on whichever platform you prefer. Thick double-shot PBT keycaps in a comfortable sculpted profile resist shine and wear, while the south-facing lighting keeps the legends clear and the board visually appealing. Hot-swappable sockets that work with most 3-pin and 5-pin mechanical switches make it simple to customize the feel without any soldering. A gasket-mounted structure, sound-dampening foam, and pre-installed Gateron Brown switches together provide a pleasantly cushioned, quiet, and responsive typing experience.